There are people who kiss their thumbs during adhan and iqama when Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah is said. Is there any proof of this? Definitely not. A lot of the people, when the name of the Prophet is mentioned, alayhi salatu wasalam, in adhan or the iqama, they do this 3 times. And they say, according to a weak hadith or fabricated, I'm not sure now at the moment, but this was mentioned in the book of Al-La'ali al-Mawdu'a of Sheikh Al-Shawkani, may Allah have mercy on his soul. I remember this vividly because I read it like 30 years ago. But I remember this hadith, and I think he said it's fabricated. That doing this, they claim, would not get a trachoma in his eyes. And they do this. This is not authentic, and hence it is an innovation to do such a thing. We love the Prophet ﷺ to the extent, look at my beard. Don't you think I would like to shorten it? Don't you think I'd like to be hip like everybody else? Do I have to wake up Fajr at 4 o'clock and go to the masjid and pray? Don't I feel like sleeping? Do I have to treat my wife well and my kids? Do I have to be obedient to my father and mother like my religion states? No. I'd like to live. I'd like to watch movies, listen to music, mix with women, have fun. Why do you think I don't do these things? Because I love the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam, and I'm following his sunnah. So if this was authentic, I would do it with my 10 fingers, not only with my thumbs. Do you think that it has anything to do with me personally? If it's not part of the religion, how can I advocate it? How can I endorse it? I can't say that, okay, you have your religion, I have mine. Islam is one. Islam is Qur'an and Sunnah, authentic Sunnah. And this is why whenever we speak, those deviant imbeciles will say, look, he is deviant, he is this, he is that. Akhi, I'm following the Sunnah. What are you following? Or who are you following? This is the question you should ask yourself.